Hello to you. I'm joining you indoors today with a bit of disheveled hair and in the bedroom, which is very apropos for the topic that we're talking about today, which is sleep. So we've talked about this many times here on 3 Life Essentials, and us moms, we need our sleep. I mean, sleep is a valuable thing, and I remember when there was a time when I was not getting it at all, and it was affecting my health. It was affecting my family. It was affecting my ability to parent. It was affecting all areas of my life, my emotional health, my physical health. And so I love having tools and to help make my sleep better. Now, we have a blog over on our website that shares some about this topic, about some kind of hidden reasons why you may not be getting enough sleep or feeling well rested. So I'll share that with you below so that you have that to kind of go along with this. But I'm back with you with my little blue box here, again, opening up this beautiful blue lotus flower here to share with you what is in this little purple box. And there are 3 items in here that we're going to be talking about today. And these are new. Some of them are newly updated. So some of them you're going to be familiar with, and some of them may be all new to you. So, but we're going to be talking about sleep today. That's the topic. And so I'm going to share my screen here with you. These are, again, some new wellness tools that you can bring into your home for your entire family that are safe, that are natural and very effective. So, however, sleep is a tricky thing. So if you find yourself stuck in sleep, reach out to me and we can do some troubleshooting and we can come up with a game plan that is going to be helping you get better sleep. As my friend and colleague says, if you don't sleep, you don't heal. And that is the truth. So let me share my screen and some of the products that we're going to be talking about today. There we go. All right. Hopefully you can still see and hear me well. So we're going to talk about 3 different products today that you can use in 3 different delivery methods. So let me grab. This is one of those topics that kind of could go all day on. So we're going to start by talking about the product on the left here, which are Serenity Restful Complex Softgels. Some of you may already be familiar with these softgels. They are a favorite in our house, but they have gotten newly updated. So we're going to be talking about some of the changes made to them, and if they're new to you in general, then find out about them. The middle, we're going to be talking about this brand new Serenity Sleep Stick plus Valerian. I'm showing you these to you in the small screen. Last one we're going to be talking about is the Serenity Restful blend of essential oil. So stick around with me, and I will be sharing with you also how you can get an ebook, complimentary ebook that will share all of the products that I'm sharing about this week and how you can get access to these. So we're going to start out with the Serenity Restful Blend Soft here. Now, hopefully you can see that. Maybe not. Let's see. Didn't switch in here for you. So let me see. Let me back here and make sure that it's going to the next screen for you. Because it's showing on my end, but it looks like it's not showing on your end here. So hold just a minute with me. Bear with me here. And if it's not going to show for you, then we may just about them. So the product on the left are the Serenity Restful Blend Complex. And I'm going to show them to you here in the small screen. So the ingredients in this, so these are going to be something that is going to help with healthy sleep patterns. And we're going to talk about how to take them in just a minute, but I want to pop them open here for you and show you. They're kind of little gel capsules here. And what's in this is you can actually smell through the capsule here. So lavender is the primary essential oil in this blend. It's very calming to the nervous system. It helps encourage healthy relaxation, very calming. And when ingested, it has been shown by clinical and experimental research to help that healthy relaxation and sleep come upon you with the drowsiness effects that typically come with like a sleep aid. So the other ingredient in here is L-theanine. So this is a natural ingredient that helps lower stress by increasing concentration of GABA in the brain and supporting relaxation, making it easier to fall asleep and sleep better. Again, to some research data that goes along with this, which I can share more with you guys if you would like that. And what's different about these is that they're going to help with your body's natural ability to fall asleep, which is what your body wants to do, right? It's designed to sleep, to repair itself at night. And so this is not going to push your body into sleep like a sleep aid typically would. It's going to just help work the body. Okay, so one of the final main ingredients in here that has been added in addition, so if you've already been using these, how many of you already use these at home and they're a favorite? These are a favorite with all of my family. All 5 of us, we use these. Some of us on the daily, some of us every so often, maybe when we need a little bit more restful sleep. So the newest ingredient in this is tart cherry. Now, tart cherry has been known for many years to make it easier to fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer, as well as improve the quality of sleep because it is a natural source of melatonin. Yes. Now, this is one of those things that we need more confirming research along these lines, but tart cherry is actually something that I've put in homemade gummies for many years for my boys because of its known help to support sleep. So now, how are you going to use this? Yes? We'll talk about how to use this in just a minute. Okay. Your best sleep stick. Now, this is super convenient. This is my newest fave. So this also has lavender in it. I'm going to open it up here. It comes in like a little stick. Do you see it? It almost looks like like a deodorant kind of. It rolls up. So it has lavender in it as well. And it's really going to promote a peaceful environment, calming, relaxing. Many of you know lavender has been used many years by Egyptians, Romans, some other ingredients like cedarwood, which is going to have that grounding effect. You know, if you joined me for the forest bathing video we did a couple of days ago, talking about how when you're in the warm, woody environment, that really gives your body a sense of groundedness. It also has valerian root, which is really helpful. That has been clinically studied as part of a restful sleep protocol for many years. Again, when you're looking at nature, reflecting nature, when you think of something that's a root, it's going to root the body Yes, coriander is this as well, helping create a relaxing atmosphere. Ylang ylang. Yes. Marjoram, which is a known, marjoram essential oil has known sedative effects for many years. And then Roman chamomile, again, to this also really positive effects with calming the body. And then last but not least, a tree and another root. The sandalwood tree, again, very rooting and grounding. Love the sandalwood. And then vetiver root, which is known to help with when you have a racing mind or have the effects of insomnia. And like when you're having difficulty even falling asleep. Yes. Now, this is designed to work as a system because the final is the Serenity Restful blend with all of these oils just straight in the bottle, undiluted with the lavender, cedarwood, all of the root oils, all the tree oils for calming the body. So this is designed to work as a 3-step system where you breathe in, or just breathe in right out of the bottle, or place the Serenity Restful blend on a cotton ball, or put it in a diffuser. Again, not a heat-based diffuser, but put it in a diffuser. So you're going to diffuse the Restful blend. So that way you're breathing in, and those calming effects are going straight into the limbic system, which is one of the fastest ways to affect the body. Think about it when you go to the dentist. Put gas, fastest way to the limbic and to address the brain. And then the second part is applying topically the Serenity stick with the valerian root. So valerian root is not in this one. So this has added valerian root. This is what you're going to apply to your pulse points, to the back of your neck, behind the ears, over the heart, even on the pads of your big toes, on your feet, to really penetrate into the bloodstream and help bring relaxation to the body. And then you can take 1 or 2 of the Serenity Restful Complex soft gels, and you're going to want to do this probably 30 minutes prior to going to sleep. You know, you can either take them at the beginning of your nighttime routine or right as you settle into bed. Either way, those can work. And of course, you can do a combination of these things. So for instance, my family, you know, every night I'm diffusing oils for sure. Sometimes it's the Serenity Restful blend. That's a super easy, like hit the easy button, drops in that. But usually I do something to open up the airways, something calming like Serenity. And then I've started putting this right above my bed. You can see right there, I've got a cabinet right above, so I can just reach up, grab it. And I have 2 of these so that I have one for my boys to share and one for Jim and I to share. And then if I feel like I'm needing a little bit extra support and maybe I getting to bed a little too late than I should have, or I've got an early morning and I know I've got to be on my A game the next morning, or I'm just having trouble falling asleep, or I just know I'm going to need added support. Maybe it's a full moon time and it's harder to fall asleep or stay asleep. Then I will take these. These are also something I recommend to clients when they're taking, and even if they take it and they still can't fall asleep, I'll have them 1 or 2 more an hour later. But these are fantastic tools in your toolbox when it comes to sleep. So I'm going to share more with you on how to get access to these. Of course, these are available to you now. You can purchase these individually or together as the sleep system, the Serenity Sleep System. And you can purchase those. I'm going to share the pricing and the links for those of you who are members. Of course, you can also purchase this in a bundle with all of the items that I'm sharing with you this week. And then tomorrow is the last set of items that I'm going to be sharing with you that are new to you, and you're not going to want to miss this because these are all about gut health that we're going to be talking about, and not only gut health, but skin health, gut health, skin health, brain health, mood health, all the things with the 2 products that I'm going to be talking about tomorrow. So stay tuned with me. I hope you're having a great day and you have a restful night tonight. Yes. Yes. Sleep blessings on you from our maker tonight. Okay. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you guys tomorrow.